favourite beach. Surfers, surfing, doing the thing. Ah, it's great. Back on the beach, first time in flipping ages. In fact, today was the first surf of the year. And man, it's lush. It's not too busy either. It's amazing. Start of the year. Sea temperature's about 10.5 degrees at the moment, so it's still pretty nippy. But it's still warm enough just about to paddle. Oh, gee. Hello. Random dog, lost its owner. So this is it. This is the first day of the year, Mother's Day 2022. But it's been warm enough to get out here and have a go, get surfing. Surf is perfect for me. It's only like Bleddy's height, 2 to 4. It's been awesome. First attempt, got my first wave, and that sort of set the scene for this morning. So I've been hitting wave after wave, so I was really chuffed. Then come out, get something to eat, sit with the family, a bit of water. Great. Oh man, you see now that's braving it a bit too much. I like the fact that they got their swim shorts on and gloves. They are the only ones in the water. Other than that, of course, these guys. Cold in there, you know. Okay. Well done. Ah, cracking. Great times. Kids on the beach, having a laugh. Frog pooling, absolute nutters. Jumping into freezing cold water there. It's 10.5 degrees here at the moment in the water. I don't know what the air temperature is. Seems nice enough. T-shirt, shorts weather. But yeah, it's not warm enough to be doing what they just did. Not without a wetsuit on anyway.